Good evening, good evening, good evening. Here the birds are still chirping and it's still light out and it's still Wednesday. It's another Brick by Brick KO4 production. You feel me? I'm in a good mood. Cause I think we like maybe 5 away from that 6K. Actually, this video won't drop until Thursday, so we're proud to have it. So if not, y'all already know what to do. Tell a family member, a friend of a friend. And tomorrow we have on Sis channel the official pre-battle, which is Goat Weezy versus BX Rays on 313 Retro Queen channel. Please go check out the fan 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. You feel me? And like I said, I might do a small little giveaway. I am gonna do a little giveaway, so stay tuned for the details on that. Something simple, just to appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Y'all already know how we do. We still have the Who Has the Heat page, and my channel is growing, or my page is growing on IG. If you haven't followed me on IG, E_money_shoes. Not enough of that. Let's get into this review. For the ladies, the single lady. I'm not just for the ladies in general. White box, dead giveaway, right? White box, female drop. You already know. But this is a grade school, or could maybe consider grade school, right? Depending on how you look at it. Size 7.5. Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. Suggested retail price $125. Some cute little things. White QR code. We're Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Special Edition. Shout out to my peeps and Wacky, Jules, Keith, Eric, all of them, Pat, you name it, right? As you can see, you have your stamper ramp. You got that 23 paper. And look, you got these iridescent joints, Jordan 1. I think these things got 3M pocket on it, I'm pretty sure. Bam, but it's so cute. It is so cute. Look at it. So lovely, let it spin around. Just a lovely little shoe. Can't tell if it got 3M hits. If it is, it's right here around the edge. Probably is 3M. Can't hardly tell right now. This is an all white shoe though. All white, but very cute. Jordan bring out hooking up the ladies this year. You got Nike right there, all white bottom. Coming right here on the toe box. Yeah, that is 3M. I can see the 3M here. You get real close, you can see a little glitter. So you got white right here. This is tough. This leather's pretty good with the perforated hole. Definitely would need a lace swap on these because you need to break up all that white. So I would definitely go with a lace swap on these joints. As you can see, coming around the side, you got all this black trim here. You got the etched in Air Jordan, as you can see. You got right here, pretty good. The stitching coming around the ankle wankle. The stitching right there. I mean, it's pretty much just a white and black shoe. Iridescent, that's what they call it. Sorry, I stand corrected. Iridescent. Then you got your hits coming around here with the stitching on point is here. And this is a mid, like I said, 7.5. Production date, 10/16/19 to 12/12/19. You pull out the shoe tree, it's still dead stock on these joints. You got the jump man right inside. And the shoe tree. Y'all know I'm not a big one fan, but I call a spade a spade. These are pretty clean. As you can see, the shoe tree says like so, 5 to 6. But this is a 7.5, so I don't know what is going on with that. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. I don't make the news, I just report it. So, you see that, like so. So on a let meter, I think these are dope pair of kicks. I mean, you really can't do too much, but like I said, you see the iridescent. And my apologies, I didn't give y'all the 3 in here, but out of 5, I get about a 4.6 out of 5. Nothing spectacular, but definitely a decent shoe. So 4.6 out of 5. You guys let me know how you feel about the shoe. Definitely they are doing something right for the ladies this year, and we can chop it up in the comment section. Like I say, tell a family member, friend of a friend. We're gonna start making this push to 10K because we want to hit it by the end of the year. So thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, Brick by Brick, Mr. KO4, peace, love, hair grease, we out.